Hello friends, in this lecture we will study about preparation of alcohols. Alcohols can be prepared using alkyl halide, alkenes, grignard reagent and reduction of carboxyl group. So first we will study preparation of alcohols from alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is represented by Rx, where R is any hydrocarbon and X is halogen. Here this halogen X works as leaving group. So how we can prepare alcohol? We can react this alkyl halide with OH minus. So what will happen? This negative charge of oxygen will attack on R and this X will leave by SN2 mechanism. This SN2 mechanism and SN1 mechanism will study in further videos. So here O will attack on R, X will leave. So we will get ROH, which is our alcohol lone pairs. Also we can prepare it by using water in place of OH minus. So we can use RX plus OH2 plus. So this lone pair of water will attack on R and X will leave similarly. So we will get ROH2 plus. And this X will leave, it will become X minus. This X minus will attack on this R. It will extract this R from this compound and we will get ROH plus HX. Okay, so let's solve a question. Here we are given CH3, CH double bond CH2 and it reacts with HI, we get X. And the compound X reacts with OH minus and we get Y. Identify X and Y. So here in this case we can see an alkene is reacted with HI. So here Markovnikov rule will be applied. So using Markovnikov rule we get CH3 CH3I. What happens in Markovnikov rule? The carbon with more number of carbons gets this more number of hydrogen gets this hydrogen, and the carbon with less number of hydrogen gets this iodine. So we get this compound as X. Now this reacts with OH minus. This is reacted with OH minus. So what will happen? This minus sign of O will attack on CH3, leads to removal of this iodine. So we will get CH3 CH3OH. So this will be our Y. Second comes preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is MgX. How it is formed? So Grignard reagent is formed by reacting any alkyl halide with any metal. Let's take MgX in presence of dry ether. So we get RMgX. This is Grignard reagent. So when we react this Grignard reagent with carboxyl group, that is aldehyde or ketone, we get alcohols. Let's see what happens when we react this Grignard reagent with a ketone. Let's take Grignard reagent R-MgX and react it with CR double bond O. So this C has a partially positive charge and O partially negative charge. And because of the presence of this metal, this R gets partially negative charge. So it will attack on this C, which is partially negative, and we will get R-RR connected to C and O minus. Now when we react this with H plus in the presence of H2O, we get CR-RROH plus MgOHX. Now let's take an example or question. We have CH3CH2Cl reacts with Mg in presence of dry ether. We get X. Then this X reacts with HCHO. This is formaldehyde. And then H2O and we get Y. Identify X and Y. So this is the formation of carboxyl group. This is the formation of Grignard reagent. So we get CH3CH2 MgCl. This is our X. Now this reacts with HCHO. So we can see that this can be drawn as CHH double bond O. So here this is partially positive, partially negative. This will attack on this carbon. We will get CHH, CH3CH2 O minus. Now this will react with H plus in presence of H2O. We will get CH3CH2 CHH OH plus MgOH Cl. That's it. Let's see how to solve this question. CH3 MgBr plus CH2 CH double bond O. This C will attack on this carbon. This double bond will break. We will get CH2 CH CH3 O minus. Now when this reacts with H2O, we get CH3 CH3OH plus MgOH Now let's see formation of alcohol from benzene. It can be done in various ways. First phase, hydration. In this process, an alkene is reacted with H3O plus in presence of H2O. So in this process, the product is formed using Markovnikov rule. So we will get CH3CH connected with OH CH3. Now let's take an example. CH3 CH2 CH2 double bond CH2 reacts with CH3O plus H2O. So we'll get CH3 CH2 CHOH CH3. This will be our product. Next comes hydroboration oxidation reaction. In this, alkene is reacted with B2H6 in presence of THF or H2O2 in presence of OH minus. This process follows anti-Markovnikov rule. Anti-Markovnikov rule. So let's take an example. CH3 CH double bond CH2 in presence of B2H6 THF. So we will get CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. This is the product using anti-Markovnikov rule. Now next comes oxymercuration demercuration. In this, an alkene is reacted with HgOCOCH3 in presence of H2O or NaBH4. This reaction follows Markovnikov rule. So in this reaction, the product is written using Markovnikov rule. For example, if we take CH3, CH double bond CH2 again with this HgOCOCH3 whole twice in presence of H2O or NaBH4. Then we will get CH3CCH3 and OH here. This will be our product. So let's take an example. If this compound is reacted with first HgOCOCH3 in presence of H2O or NaBH4, then we will get the product using Markovnikov rule. So in this case, the product will be written using Markovnikov rule, which says OH will be here and H will be here because there are less number of hydrogen, here are more number of hydrogen. In this case, we will use anti-Markovnikov rule, so the product will be HOH. Now again in this case, we will use Markovnikov rule and the product will be HOH. Then comes reduction of carboxyl group. So this can be used for preparation of alcohols. Basically, reduction means addition of hydrogen. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. So what we will be doing, we will be adding hydrogen in carboxyl groups. So for doing this, we will be using some reducing agents. So we will be using LiAlH4 and NaBH4. We will be using these two reducing agents. So NaBH4 is a weaker reducing agent and LiAlH4 is very strong reducing agent. Using these two will be reducing the carboxyl groups. For example, let's take CHRCHO and react it with LiAlH4 first and then H3O plus in presence of H2O. So we will get RCH2OH. From next example, RCR double bond O. Again LiAlH4 and H3O plus H2O. We will get RCHROH. Here we can also use NaBH4. So we will get these products. What is happening here? One H is attached with this carbon, and another H is attached with this oxygen, and breaking of this double bond takes place, and we will get this alcohol. Okay, and as we know, NaBH4 is mild reducing agent, so it will only reduce aldehydes and ketones in alcohol. NaBH4 is a mild reducing agent, so it can only reduce aldehydes and ketones, but LiAlH4 can reduce all of the compounds. Let's have some example. RCHO. These are the examples which we did right now. NaBH4 H2O, we will get RCH2OH, and RC double bond OR, NaBH4 H2O, we will get RCHROH. And then take RCOOH and react it with NaBH4, we will get no product. But if we react it with LiAlH4, we will get RCH2OH. Similarly, if we react RC triple bond N with NaBH4, we will get no product. But if we react it with LiAlH4, we will get RCH2NH2. This is some extra information. We don't need it in Cbse syllabus, but it is useful. So that's all. For more videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.